You run out of juice for your GoPro camera, smartphone, or other devices. With the optional cables for your cameras, you simply find the plug on the side, open up the silicone door. If it's USB-A output or USB-C PD input and output, simply just plug into the battery. You can remove the battery as well and open up the top of the case and place in the battery and fully charge. It goes in one particular way, rotate around, and charges up. We'll show you in the inside shot of the windows what it looks like. This is the on and off switch, the door opening, and an SDXC card, 2 slots in the area on top. It has a rubber feel to it. It has a lanyard strap and almost looks like a real camera. When it's fully charged, just simply pull out and place back to your GoPro camera. You need to charge your phone. You just simply plug in. This is USB-C. Plug into the USB-C port and it charges. The USB-C port can also run the camera while it's charging at the same time. Simply open up your door of the camera over here and plug it in and it charges. 3 batteries, an hour, fully charged. Llano makes a power bank station with a PD 30 watt charger and USB-A charger, also for emergency use when power is out for your cameras, laptops, and more. It is for a GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12, and you simply place in your batteries to the top. You hit the button on, you get a battery percentage. And when you're ready to charge your battery, it shows you the percentage of each of the batteries in there. As you can see, a nice close-up look. We're out and about getting ready to use the unit and demonstrating what you can do in the field with it. It has a USB-C and A door here that goes into here, keeps it weather sealed by pushing in, and the door locks into place, and a lanyard strap. When fully charged, the unit turns off. A 12,800 milliamp battery for your GoPro. You get the PD cable, USB-C to C cable. You get a nice carrying bag as well, and you have an instruction guide to go over. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your camera needs for a GoPro 9, 10, 11, or 12 only. Thank you for viewing.